Conventional imaging injects light waves inside a scene and measures light waves coming out of the scene. The movement of light inside the scene consists of various events, for instance, scattering, reflection, and refraction. This process is described by the transmission matrix of the scene, which records the contribution of each source point to each sensor pixel, where the vertical dimension of the matrix shows sensor pixels and the horizontal dimension shows source points. Since waves are additive, all source contributions at a given pixel are added up to generate the final signal. This translates into multiplying the transmission matrix by a vector of ones, giving an algebraic expression that represents how the input light wave is related to the output. In probing, we seek to selectively mask entries of this light transmission matrix to measure certain properties of the scene, as represented by the matrix to the right. We perform this operation at micron scales in small scenes with complicated light transmission, as we show further. For instance, this method allows us to perform optical matched filtering of light paths for descattering. Knowing an approximate pattern we want to detect inside a scattering medium, it helps us boost the SNR or accurately detect its location despite the blur introduced by scattering. Another example of the type of probing we can do is presented here. The scene is a toy cup about a centimeter in size. One feature of light transmission in this scene is the specularity that goes around the mid of the cup, which is isolated in the figure in the center. The center figure masks no part of the specularity away. However, we can choose to keep specularities that are, for instance, oriented in certain directions or of a given size, as shown on the two videos on the right. To achieve this, we built a modified version of a Michelson interferometer as shown on the right. This modification allows us to inject light with arbitrarily coded mutual intensity inside the scene. We can then probe transmission matrices with the mutual intensity matrices described above interferometrically. Moreover, the properties of the required source in the interferometric system are related to the required mutual intensity matrix by a simple Fourier transform. Therefore, given any desired probing pattern, we can implement it on the fly by computing its inverse Fourier transform and using that to program the source's spatial amplitude and phase profiles without the need for any hardware changes. Using appropriate modulation, we can implement arbitrary probing effects either on the intensity image or directly on the underlying coherent waves. The most important application of our method is in medical imaging modalities such as optical coherence tomography. Our method extends OCT, enabling the rich literature about OCT to be applied to the coherent probing case. Furthermore, our setup can be integrated seamlessly into commercial OCT systems with minimal hardware modifications. In combination with the right inverse scattering algorithms, we hope that this method will be a major contribution towards seeing through scattering. Thank you for listening. Please check out our upcoming paper in SIGGRAPH 2020 for more details.